welcome back to the channel. So today is actually my birthday, December 17th, and my lovely girlfriend over here got us a present for the YFZ. So you want to pull out of the box. I already opened this, so she's going to pull it out and show you guys what we got in here. So we got some lock-on ODI grips. So you guys probably guess. New bars. Got brand new Pro Taper bars. Can't remember what bend these are. These, because I did tell her which ones to order. They are the Tucker Rocky Contour, the Mid Pro bend. So I think they're identical to these, but the Pro Tapers are supposed to be a lot stronger bar. The only thing is we don't know if the orange is going to completely match this. So we're going to put them on anyway. Hopefully they look good. If you guys think we should put black ones on, put it down in the comments, because we also talked about possibly putting these on the mini dirt bike if they didn't match the quad super well. So we're going to pull them out of the bag, Morgan, and see. Oh yeah, those look sweet. We're going to put these on, so we're going to start taking the bars off, and then we're going to have Morgan help us today. Alright, so we're going to take these off last. We're going to get everything off the handlebars first. These are 10 mil here, and then all this stuff is 8 millimeter. No! Yeah, like I said, these are all 8 mil. They're super thin. It's like these are just fill-ups for this and this to remove. Oh yeah. Come on. Oh yeah. Yeah, this thing is glued to the grip. Jesus. You see she was stuck on there. So there's just 2 screws in the bottom of this. This has honestly been the hardest part because when they glued these, they glued them right to this, so this didn't want to split. So I've been fighting with this for like 10 minutes. But then this will just kind of up like this. The wires come through one side, and then you can see it's actually still glued to the grip. So I got it around, and now I can just peel it, hopefully, off the grip. Look at that. Someone got way too carried away, oops, with the glue on this thing. That's freaking crazy. Way, way too much glue in my opinion. We're not removing the grips on here because I'm not reusing them. I do want to order a plus, I think a +2 steering stem. I was going to try to get taller risers, but I think I'm just going to upgrade steering stems because I want my bars a little bit taller, and I think the new bars I got are roughly the same as these. I thought they would be a little taller, but they actually might be a hair shorter. Honestly, they're pretty close, other than I think the Pro Tapers are a little less pulled back. So we'll probably put a +1, probably a +2 steering stem in this. I'm not really sure. We'll kind of see once I ride it a little more. I gotta price them out too because I don't know what the steering stem costs. I'm sure it ain't cheap. The Windham RM mid bends. So if you're looking to purchase these same bars that are pretty identical to the factory bars, these will be a lot stronger though. But that's the bend. I'll link them down in the description. We had the heater on for a little bit because Morgan was complaining she was cold. I tightened the bars and set the bars up, so I have them set at +1. I'm going to show them here, Morgan. They got different markings on where you want like your bar position, and I have mine with this little like nipple thing on the bar clamp. I have mine set at +1, so that's where they're most comfortable for me. I thought about cutting off a tiny bit, but I kind of like the wider bars because it just gives me a little more leverage to manhandle it. The OD grips, they come in the pack. They have 2. They said they just lock on with these instead of having glue. And then the ATV ones are notched like this. As far as I know, we're gonna find out for sure. Oh man, them are tight. Don't be a dummy. like me, and put the grip on and not put the lock on first. So just a word of advice, because then you gotta take the grip back off, which I tell you what's not the easiest thing in the world after you just had a heck of a time putting it on. So on this side, it's hard because they fit a little tight due to this, I don't know why it's like this and the other side's not, but it makes it a little hard. So getting it off, I messed up the thing a little bit, but hopefully it'll still lock on. And then to put these on, I just used one of these, I don't even know what they are. It's a it's not
mallet.
Yeah, but it's like, it's got beads in it. They're not so aggressive to wreck these. So you put the second one on. They said put these on first. Make sure these little grooves, or as they go click on here, make sure they're towards the outside on the inside one. Like I said, this side goes on a lot easier. I fought with that side, but this side's all loosey-goosey. And they come with these little Allens that you just put in here and you crank tight. I mean, the grips are super easy to put on. This one will be easy to adjust. The other one moves pretty hard because of that extra, like I said, it's got that like grip thing. I don't really know the purpose of it, but tell you what, it makes putting grips on a pain in the ass. There, look at that. I think it looks good. It looks a lot better with them on because you don't see as much of the orange now. The only complaint I have, and this is because of the grips, is since there's this little lock collar on here, it kicks these over farther, which pushes this over farther, which pushes this on the bend, which puts the lever at a little bit of a weird angle. Go from the front, Morgan, you'll be able to see it a little better. This kind of kicks up because it's on that bend. So it does sit a little goofy, but honestly, it's not that bad. There's not really much I can do to fix that. Just unfortunately it ends up on the bench. So since it's kind of shitty outside because we've been getting dumped down with snow and ice, and I don't really want to go play in the snow, not yet anyway. We're gonna soon, hopefully, but not yet. I think we should spin this around, put it here, and see if we can do a wheelie in the garage. And for those of you who don't know, this is only a 34, I think it's a 34-foot garage, 36. Not very big. And then you got my car, $40,000 Mustang, sitting literally just like maybe 5 feet in here. So like there's not a whole lot of room. So we're gonna try to do a wheelie in here. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we're gonna try to. Because I wanna try the new ECU a little more. So Morgan's gonna record and we're gonna see if we can do it. I gotta get it more enough room to get it up fast enough and then like stop it. Because like I said, this garage is only like 30, I think it's 36. It ain't crazy long. It's 24 by 36, I think. Man, I'm out of shape. I do got to play with the maps a little bit more. Because it does die a little bit easy sometimes. It does start a little hard on some maps. But I haven't had a chance to play with it yet, so. Yeah, it died a little goofy on the first map, but my heart just doesn't help you. They don't have the intake and the exhaust that the tunes are set up for, so get that put on. Should run a lot better too, so I'm out of breath. Hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.